The rising trend of upcycling and sustainable practices has opened a vibrant market for unique wood projects. Making highly profitable upcycled wood items involves not only creativity and craftsmanship, but also an understanding of consumer preferences and emerging design trends. As people become more conscious of their environmental impact, there is an increasing demand for furniture and decor pieces that exemplify sustainability. Upcycling not only reduces waste, but also tells a story, as each piece often carries a history or character that new materials may not possess. Starting with the concept of upcycling, it is essential to understand how this practice differs from recycling. While recycling typically involves breaking down materials to create something new, upcycling focuses on repurposing items in a way that enhances their value or transforms them into something different altogether. This is particularly relevant in the realm of wood, as old furniture, pallets, or reclaimed wood can be transformed into stylish and functional pieces that appeal to an eco-conscious market. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of highly profitable, unique upcycled wood project ideas to sell now. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A significant factor in creating profitable upcycled wood projects is the ability to source materials effectively. Salvaging wood from old furniture, barnwood, or construction sites can provide a wealth of materials at low cost or even for free. This initial investment is a crucial aspect of the potential profit margin when selling upcycled products. Building relationships with local businesses or participating in community swap events can yield valuable resources. For instance, many homeowners are eager to part with old furniture that no longer fits their style, presenting a golden opportunity for artisans looking to create something new. Once the raw materials are sourced, the next step is envisioning potential designs that resonate with the target audience. This requires an understanding of current design trends and consumer preferences. Today's buyers are leaning towards rustic, vintage, and minimalist aesthetics, all of which lend themselves beautifully to upcycled wood projects. When considering a design, it's vital to envision not only the final product, but also its placement within modern interiors. For instance, a reclaimed wooden bench with a natural finish could serve as an entryway statement piece, while upcycled wooden crates transformed into trendy shelves could appeal to those seeking functional decor solutions. The craftsmanship involved in upcycled furniture is where artistry shines. Each project requires skill to ensure that the final product is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. This craftsmanship often involves various techniques such as sanding, staining, and sealing. Sanding not only smoothens surfaces, but also highlights the wood's natural grain, which adds character to the piece. Applying stains can enhance the color and depth of the wood while fitting it into a specific design palette. Sealing the wood ensures its longevity, providing protection against wear and tear, which is especially important for items intended for sale. Innovation is key when it comes to transforming upcycled wood into desirable products. While some projects may involve straightforward transformations, adding unique twists can significantly increase their value. For example, combining wood with other materials such as metal, fabric, or glass can create striking designs that capture attention. A rustic wooden stool with a leather seat can appeal to various tastes, blending modern and rustic elements. Likewise, incorporating artistic details such as carved patterns or painted designs can add an element of individuality that sets a piece apart in the marketplace. Marketing plays a critical role in successfully selling upcycled wood projects. Knowing how to tell the story behind each piece can resonate with potential buyers. Highlighting the history of the materials used and the process involved in creating the piece adds depth and authenticity, making them more appealing. Many buyers value not only the functionality of a product, but also the narrative it carries. Utilizing social media platforms can be a powerful way to showcase this story. Creating engaging content that documents the process, from sourcing materials to the final product, can foster a community of interested customers and build a brand identity that stands out in a crowded market. In addition to storytelling, the visual presentation of upcycled wood items cannot be understated. High-quality images are crucial for online sales, where first impressions can make or break a potential sale. Investing in good photography and styling can showcase the products effectively. Highlighting the unique features of each piece, such as the texture of the wood or the intricacy of the craftsmanship, encourages customers to see beyond the price tag to the value inherent in the work. Thoughtfully styled images, perhaps featuring the item in use within an appealing setting, can evoke a feeling of desire among potential buyers. Pricing is another aspect to consider when aiming for profitability. While upcycled pieces are often made from salvaged materials, the time and skill involved in transforming these materials into high-quality products need to be factored into the pricing. Conducting market research to understand the pricing landscape for similar products can help in setting competitive yet profitable prices. It's essential to strike a balance where the price reflects the craftsmanship and uniqueness of the piece while remaining accessible to the target audience. Selling platforms can greatly influence the success of upcycled wood projects. There are numerous avenues for selling, including local craft fairs, farmers markets, online marketplaces, and social media platforms. Each platform has its advantages and challenges, and understanding your target audience can help guide the choice. Online marketplaces like Etsy or eBay provide wider exposure, while local events offer an intimate setting for building community connections and immediate feedback. Whichever platform is chosen, creating a cohesive brand and maintaining good customer relationships is vital for repeat business and referrals. Engagement with the local community can also bolster the visibility and popularity of upcycled products. Hosting workshops or demonstrations not only showcases crafting skills, but also engages potential customers, allowing them to experience the process firsthand. Such events can cultivate a sense of community around handmade and upcycled goods, encouraging a culture of support for local artisans. By creating memorable experiences, artisans can establish lasting relationships with customers who appreciate the story behind the creation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, highly profitable, unique upcycled wood project ideas to sell now. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.